Hello Bunny Squad, today we're going to read a book. Okay, what's this book about, Evan? Giraffe the Chef. Can you see Giraffe the Chef? Giraffe the Chef. What is Giraffe doing?
What's Giraffe doing?
Giraffe is... Is he trying to eat the cookie? Looks like he just baked a tray of cookies. And Giraffe live in house number?
4.
Wow, house number 4. Okay, now let's move to the next page. Boom. Look, that's Giraffe house. Number 4 is Giraffe's house. Giraffe is a chef. Chef. And her favorite room is the... Where does chef spend most of his time? What is this place? Let's open the window. Ooh, nice cactus outside. It's her favorite place is the kitchen. It's where she cooks up the most incredible recipes. Every morning, she makes a long list of shopping lists of all the ingredients that she needs for that day's delicious meal. This is her bedroom. She's a very neat and tidy person. Oh, she left her socks on the mat. She left her books on the floor. Okay, she's still very tidy, okay, because she cleaned up her bed.
Her room is very near to the kitchen.
Oh yeah, it's just next to it, yeah? And she have a really long list. Can you open the fridge and see what's inside?
Nothing.
Nothing? Oh, she used up all her ingredients in the fridge. That is why she needs to go shopping.
Let's check out.
What she's gonna buy? What is this?
Carrot, cucumber.
What is this?
Fish.
Is that fish?
I don't know what's that.
It's a bottle of MILK.
MILK
Is
milk.
What is this?
Lemon.
She's gonna buy
Cherry.
8 lemons. Okay, 14 bunches of cherries.
Pepper.
5 peppers.
Uh,
2 red peppers. 3
6
can of...
jam.
Is that jam? That looks like a tomato puree.
Tomato puree.
Okay, and 6 boxes of ice cream.
And 10 tomato.
And tomatoes.
1 banana.
Is that 1 or 7? That's number 7.
7 banana. And
Bananas.
And 9 strawberry and
Strawberries.
1
French bread.
and 2 apple.
12. That's
12
number
12 apple.
apples. There's more than 1, right? There's more than 1. You say apples. 1
Two.
apple.
2
12 apples.
12 apples.
Correct. Now let's go to the next page. Wow, what is this place?
Shopping.
Yeah.
I like to go shopping.
You like shopping? She's doing her grocery shopping. Giraffe knows where to go to get the things she needs. She went to this grocery shop. Look, there she is. She's very lucky to live close to some lovely shops selling fresh fruit and vegetable for all her recipes. No, it's not. Oh, what is she holding?
Pineapple.
Wow, they have all the ingredients that she needs. Can you spot the bananas?
Bananas.
There is, yeah. How about orange? Oranges?
Orange.
Yeah. How about brinjal?
Brinjal.
That's pineapple.
Brinjal.
This one, eggplants. Eggplants and brinjal, they're the same.
Brinjal.
Oh, this is celery. This long green thing, that's celery.
Brinjal.
How about pumpkin?
Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Hello? Hello.
Where's the pumpkin? What is this?
Pumpkin.
Yeah.
Last time you make pumpkin, then makes to pow.
Pumpkin pie, that's right. Ooh, now she's done her shopping. It's time to pay money. And here she goes. She's off back home. Next to the grocery shop, that's a bakery shop.
Bakery shop.
So, what do you see inside the bakery shop?
I see cupcake.
Yeah, cupcakes. Where's the cupcakes?
There.
Yeah. What else do you see?
I see cake.
Where's the cake?
Got two cake
Oh,
here and here.
okay. What else do you see?
I see bread.
Bread. Okay. What else do you
Bread.
see?
Bread. I see donut.
Yeah. Is that your
Donut.
Which one's your favorite?
I like all the sweets.
Oh, the sweet stuff. Oh dear. Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay, now that she has bought all her stuff, where is she going? She's going home. Now she's back to her
House.
house. Which part of the house? Which
Here.
part of the house that you do all the cooking? Is it called... What's that? Where do you go to cook in the house?
Kitchen.
Correct. Okay, look. She's making a stew. What's inside? Can you see what's inside? Is that strawberry? That looks like strawberry. Tomato, bean, pepper, parsley.
Parsley.
Is that mushroom? Moku.
See.
Let's smell. Tastes so good. Whether it's breakfast or brunch, lunch or dinner, she knows she can trust her nose.
Is this mine?
We share. To tell her when everything is ready.
Really?
What else do you see in the kitchen?
I see cookie. I like cookie.
You saw cookie.
I like cookie.
Look, she's doing all her cutting. Vegetable cut. She cut what is this?
Cut carrot.
Carrot. What else? Is that some kind of turnip?
Radish.
Veggie. That's chili pepper. Onion, tomatoes, olive oil, pepper, some salt and paprika spice. Is that lasagna?
Lasagna.
Yeah. Where's the pan?
Pen is
Right there.
right here.
How about clock?
Cup
Clock.
is right there.
How about cup?
Cup is right there.
How about jar? Honey.
Honey.
Yeah.
Honey. Bee likes honey.
Bee likes honey, that's right. Okay, so now that she's done her cooking, she invited all her friends to have meals together. Giraffe's neighbors love being invited round for dinner. It smiles all round the table as they gather to enjoy Giraffe's yummy, wholesome food. Wow, what did she cook? Can you tell me? What do you see on the table?
No more.
No fish. Ooh, fish.
And cake.
Fish, cupcakes, noodles, bread.
Why?
What is this?
Why the hen raised funny the eyes like that?
This hen is excited with all the food placed on the table. Looks so yummy. There's sushi, there's pizza, there's salad bowl, lasagna.
Lasagna,
Ooh,
cucumber,
the alligator is eating.
pizza.
Ooh, he took the first slice. And here we go. All done. More food, more food. Less cupcakes now. They're all finished. Someone ate all the fish.
This boy. This boy. Cucumber.
Okay, that's right.
I like cucumber.
So now that all of them has finished, they all went home, helped to clean up, and that's the end of the story.
Okay.
Hope you
Like this book. Bye.
bye.